after feedback from people of the ground. It is this spirit that ensures every Indian has access to a bank account. Over 8 crore families have access to smoke-free kitchens. Over 1.5 crore houses have been made to give shelter to the homeless. India is home to the largest healthcare scheme in the world, Ayushman Bharat. Over a crore people have got quality treatment. For the poor, we are bringing one nation, one ration card scheme to help them where they are. For the middle class, we have brought a number of initiatives to boost ease of living. For farmers, we have increased the MSP and made sure they get the right price. And we are making the sector free from middlemen. For women, we are ensuring that their health care gets due attention via various schemes, and their career path is not compromised by ensuring extension of maternity leaves. The government of India does not discriminate between faith, gender, caste, creed, or language. We are guided by the desire to empower 130 crore Indians, and our guiding light is the Constitution of India. Friends, the Holy Bible talks extensively about togetherness. Now is the time to join ranks, work together for the advancement of our nation. Think of this: how can our actions contribute to national development? Today, India is saying we will produce locally and also buy local products. This will light the lamp of prosperity in the homes of many. There are many ways to strengthen our nation. The Mar Thoma Church, in line with its values, will surely rise to the occasion and play a key role in India's growth trajectory in the times to come. Once again, I convey my greetings to Honorable Reverend Dr. Joseph Mar Thoma, Metropolitan. Thank you all. Thank you very much.
तो प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी, जो कि ईसाई धर्मगुरुओं का 90वां जन्मदिन है आज, और उसी के मौके पर यहां पर बोलते नजर आए। महत्वपूर्ण बातें जो उन्होंने अपने इस संबोधन में रखी वो ये कि कोरोना से लड़ने के लिए सावधानी जरूरी है। कोरोना से लड़ाई की हर संभव कोशिश जो है वो सरकार की तरफ से की जा रही है, और साथ ही साथ एक बार फिर से उन्होंने दोहराया कि 2 गज की दूरी जो है वो बहुत जरूरी है, वो रखनी होगी, और बेहद जब जरूरी हो तो ही आप अपने घर से निकलें, बाजार जाएं। तो देश में कोरोना मरीजों की संख्या 5 लाख के पार